Intro, what if I told you that everything you think you know about sharks is wrong? For just $100, would you swim in this water behind me? What if I told you there are sharks in there that are older than the dinosaurs? Today, we're diving deep into the world of sharks. By the end of this video, you will see these animals in a completely different way. Forget the scary movie music and the giant teeth for a second. We're about to uncover 7 mind-blowing shark secrets you've never heard before. We spent thousands of dollars. We traveled across the world to bring you these facts. Sharks that glow in the dark. Sharks that can sense your heartbeat. Sharks that have been around longer than trees. This isn't your average documentary. This is a challenge to everything you thought was true. We're going to count down these 7 insane facts. Each one is crazier than the last. All right, let's kick this off with something absolutely insane. Sharks have been swimming in our oceans for over 400 million years. I want you to really think about that number for a second. That means sharks were here before the dinosaurs even existed. They were here before the first trees grew on land. They've survived 5 mass extinction events. The same event that wiped out the T-Rex and almost all life. The sharks just swam right through it like it was nothing. We know this because of the fossil record. Skeletons of cartilage don't fossilize well, teeth do. Scientists have found millions of fossilized shark teeth worldwide, even on mountaintops that were once ancient seabeds. These tiny fossils are time capsules of prehistoric seas. Studying teeth lets us trace their lineage across hundreds of millions of years, mapping how sharks evolved and adapted. They're superpowered survivors, one of the most successful animal groups in Earth's history. Every shark you see today is a living relic of an ancient world, and through it all, they just kept swimming. That alone is one of the most incredible facts in the animal kingdom. Okay, when you hear the word shark, you probably picture a great white. That's like saying the only kind of dog is a golden retriever. We flew the crew to the Bahamas just to show you this. There are over 500 known species of sharks, and scientists are discovering new ones all the time. The diversity is mind-blowing. On one end, the dwarf lantern shark, so small it fits in your hand. A deep, bioluminescent phantom. On the other end, the whale shark, the biggest fish on Earth. Hammerheads with panoramic vision, goblin sharks with slingshot jaws. 500+ species in every ocean, from reefs to polar abysses, some in rivers, some can literally walk. This next fact sounds like a literal superpower, and it basically is. Sharks have a sixth sense called electroreception. Tiny jelly-filled pores, the ampullae of Lorenzini, detect faint electrical fields. They can detect a heartbeat from a fish hidden under sand, like a neon sign, "Free lunch here." Even in murky darkness, they're scanning a world we can't imagine. Some sense fields of just a few nanovolts. The AA battery a mile apart analogy. We buried a device mimicking a fish heartbeat. Minutes later, a lemon shark dug it up. They may even sense Earth's magnetic field for long-distance navigation. A shark's mouth is a super-efficient conveyor belt of razor-sharp daggers. They constantly lose teeth when they bite. But behind the front row are rows of fully formed replacements, embedded in the gums. When one falls, the next slides forward, sometimes within 24 hours. Over a lifetime, a single shark can go through more than 30,000 teeth. That's why fossil shark teeth are everywhere. Meet the whale shark, the largest fish in the world, up to 60 feet long and over 20 tons, longer than a school bus. A gentle giant, no tearing teeth. Just a cavernous 5-foot-wide mouth. It gulps plankton and tiny fish, filtering thousands of gallons an hour. Majestic, peaceful, and vital to ocean ecosystems. Shark skin isn't smooth. It's covered in tiny tooth-like denticles. Denticles shape water flow, reducing drag and saving energy. Engineers copied this. High-tech swimsuits even got banned for unfair advantage. Coatings for ships, planes, and antibacterial surfaces. Nature's engineering at work. Some female sharks can reproduce without a male. We saved one of the most shocking for last. It's about the next generation of sharks. Shark reproduction is wildly diverse. Some, like horn sharks, lay spiral eggs wedged into rocks to protect them. Others give live birth. Blue sharks can have over 100 pups. Some even develop a placenta-like connection in the womb. And yes, some females can reproduce with no male at all. It's called parthenogenesis, documented in zebra and bonnethead sharks, often in aquariums. The egg cell fertilizes itself. No male DNA required. Rare among vertebrates, it's a last-ditch survival mechanism with reduced genetic diversity. From eggs to live birth to virgin birth, sharks ensure their dynasty continues. So there you have it. 7 facts proving sharks are more than movie monsters. Ancient survivors that outlasted dinosaurs, a family of over 500 species, and masters of a sixth sense that detects the electricity of life. They run conveyor belts of teeth and inspired Olympic-level tech, and some can even create life on their own. From the biggest fish in the sea to the smallest glowing predators, I hope we've changed how you see these incredible animals. They're complex, essential to ocean health, a cornerstone of marine ecosystems. Tell someone sharks are older than trees, and their skin is made of tiny teeth. Remember the gentle giants, and the sharks that can have babies without a mate. Comment which fact blew your mind, and hit subscribe. We're just getting started. More crazy challenges and adventures are coming. Thanks for watching. We'll see you in the next video.